In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product ID in WooCommerce. First, let's get into your WordPress site. Open your WordPress website and head to the dashboard. From here, make sure WooCommerce is available. If you don't see it in the left menu yet, go to the plugins section. This is where you manage everything you add to your site. In plugins, search for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. Once it's active, you'll notice a WooCommerce option in your left-hand menu. Click it to enter WooCommerce and complete any basic setup prompts if they appear, so your store is ready to use. Next, let's look at your products. Click Products, then go to All Products. This page shows every product in your store, along with helpful details. Here, you'll be able to see each product's ID. The product ID is a unique number WordPress assigns to every item, and it's used behind the scenes to keep things organized. If you open a product to edit it, you can also spot the ID in the browser address bar as part of the URL, which is another quick way to confirm you're looking at the right product. Now, here's the key point many people ask about. Can you change a product ID? The truth is that product IDs are assigned automatically by WordPress, and you can't manually choose or change them. They function like a permanent reference number in your database. Each time you add a product, WordPress generates the next available ID on its own. That's by design, and it helps keep your store stable and consistent, especially when other plugins, reports, or imports rely on those IDs. If you're looking for a number you can control and show to customers or staff, use the SKU field instead. SKUs are made for that purpose, and you can edit them anytime to match your internal systems or barcodes. Think of the product ID as a system identifier and the SKU as your business-facing identifier. So to recap the workflow, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins to install and activate WooCommerce if needed, click into WooCommerce, then head to Products and All Products to view your items. You'll find each product's ID there. While you can't change that ID, you can confidently manage and customize your product details, pricing, and SKUs to fit your store's needs. That's all you need to understand how WooCommerce handles product IDs and where to find them.